lanes, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my...
Welcome to our new location. Good morning, Harrisburg. We're excited to announce the opening of our new real estate office, 112-4 Morris Drive. We are so proud to be situated in the heart of this beloved town. As the Prime One LIR1 team, we bring the warmth of local family and the expertise of professionals of every interaction. Our goal is to make every house feel like a home. Currently, we're proud to be the fourth largest real estate firm in Harrisburg, but our aspirations don't stop there. We're on a mission to grow not just in size, but in service. With 12 dedicated real estate professionals ready to assist, we're eager to help you find your dream home or sell your property with ease and with confidence. Our commitment extends beyond transactions. We're passionate about building a community. That means connecting with local businesses, empowering aspiring entrepreneurs, collaborating with schools, and keeping you informed with the latest and hottest real estate trends. We're not just selling homes, we're crafting a vibrant community, one family at a time. We also believe in celebrating our town. Through hosting community events, we're not just your realtors, we're your neighbors, we're your friends and partners in making Harrisburg a wonderful place to live. We also believe in the power of celebration to bring people together. This is why we are excited to announce an official grand opening event for our new office. Keep an eye out for the details. It's an occasion you won't want to miss. This event will be more than just a celebration. It will be an embodiment of commitment to the Harrisburg community. So, I invite you on a virtual tour of our new office to see the space where we make real estate dreams come true. Don't forget to visit our website at www.prime1lirrealestate.com. Here, you can meet our professional team and learn more about how we can serve your real estate needs in a spirit of excellence. To fellow real estate professionals, if you're driven by excellence and a desire to make a real impact, we'd love to have you join our team. Together, let's shape the future of real estate in Harrisburg. We are the realtors you deserve.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop.